$2,500, 5 days. How did I do it? What's up guys, Kris here, and today's video is how I made $2,500 in 5 days. That's 5. Yes, under a week, 5 days fast, and during a quarantine at that. Exactly how did I do it? Well, it starts with this. Hit that subscribe button, comments, like, you know the routine. Help that algorithm out, promote this video so that more people can get the knowledge that I'm giving you for free right here. Time is money, and I'm putting my time in to help you guys make that money. So how exactly did I make $2,500 in 5 days? It was simple as this. I took items from a storage that I had to get rid of. So it was basically a blessing in disguise. Had to get rid of them all. But it wasn't just getting rid of them. Like they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Yes, treasure. You know what I'm saying. One man's trash is another man's treasure.
Nelson in New York with 50,000 pieces of collectibles. Trash is called Mango, and he sells it.
So, how did that work? Well, if I have trash, then must be somebody else's treasure. Simple equation there. You know what I'm talking about. So exactly, this is the process. Emptied out the storage, took a catalog of everything that I was going to keep, that I wasn't going to keep, everything else that I wasn't going to keep, I was actually going to throw away. Until I said, wait, one man's trash, another man's, you know what I'm talking about. So, went on OfferUp, went on eBay, went on Amazon, started looking at a couple different things, and it came down to this 3-step process to pretty much determine exactly what the value of something is. And keyword there is value. And why I say that is because when you put a value on something, now it becomes valuable. Now I'm not just selling an item, I'm selling the value of that item. That's what we're going to get into here. So the 3-step process is this. Number 1 of the 3 steps is find similar products online. OfferUp, eBay, Amazon. People go to Amazon first to check everything out. Of course, you're going to find the new products most likely on Amazon. Used products and new products on eBay, OfferUp. You all know what OfferUp and Let Go is. Let that stuff go. So, anyways, you're finding other people's products on there. Why would you be doing this? Because you want to find products that are similar to yours or the same as yours to gauge the marketplace. If you can't gauge the marketplace, then when you put a price on your product, you might put the wrong price. You might not get people to be involved in it. There's a whole process to this. That's what we're explaining here. So gauge the market, find the price. Number 2, what is that going to be? You're going to see other prices and you're going to take a note of this. What are they going for new? What are some words that people are explaining? What are the descriptions? Everything. Now you could take other descriptions and you can change the words. Don't straight copy somebody's descriptions, but you can change it and you can get ideas on exactly what to say for yours. Taking all of this data into consideration, then you go and you list your product on OfferUp or eBay or whatever it may be. Personally, I did OfferUp and they sold like that. Right now is a buyer's frenzy. I've said this on another video, but this is so true because people want to buy right now. People want to get rid of stuff because they don't want to pay for their storages, and other people want to buy. Trash, treasure. We're not going to say the analogy again. I'll beat it like a dead horse. So, anyways, going forward, number 3, list your items. Put keywords in the descriptions, put keywords in the title. List it exactly as it is. Now what it is may not be what somebody listed as. Now going back into number 2 when you do your research, and number 1, you want to make sure that you're naming your product and your title and your description how other people would be searching it for. For instance, I just sold some stanchions the other day. Now, actually today, believe it or not. Now those stanchions, somebody may not know they're called stanchions. So that's completely fine. A lot of people don't. So what are some other words that you could use? Barriers, dividers, people dividers, line dividers. Those are things that you want to search for online, and those are things that you want to get, and you want to add those in your description, and you want to add those in your title. Now, don't call something that it's not. You know, if you have like a red Mustang, I don't know why I just thought of that, but a red Mustang, don't call it like a Corvette. Totally different, okay? Maybe a bad analogy, but you get my point. Name it what it really is, or what it's called a latent semantic index, or a similar synonym word of it is. that's getting too technical. We're not going to get that technical here. So going forward, number one is research the market, find the data. Number two is see the prices, look for things. And number three is list that product. Get it up there, get it out, and go. Now, play with the price. I did pause there for a specific reason. There is always a sweet spot in selling so many hundreds of thousands of dollars online. There is a sweet spot with every product. I've listed things high before and I've gradually come down, and I will not get anybody that contacts me on a specific listing at all. And then all of a sudden I get to a certain price. It might be like a hypothetical here, 139, and I go down, nobody, 125, 120, and then I get to like 107, and all of a sudden everybody's blowing me up and they want it, and yes, it's weird. I don't know what it is. It's called buyer psychology, but that's not this video. That's a whole another video, okay? So the point here is this: play with the price a little bit. Key tip, offer up, you put it at a higher price. When you come down, there's a certain percentage off that you market, and it will actually, it'll slash out the price and it'll tell you what the original price was and what your new price is. That's good for you because it's almost just like you do when you see in a store. You see the normal price and you see the discount. Anytime somebody gets a discount, they're getting something good. Now, key point here, I talked about value earlier. The value is important. When you paint the picture for the value, you're telling somebody, you're selling a scenario, okay? Put what is the value of the product, okay? Does it save time? Does it save money? Is it better, faster, more efficient? Whatever the case is, sell that value proposition. Don't just say that you have a product and you want to buy it. I mean, yes, you could, and you could sell it, but no, sell the value. Put the value behind it and you'll get more for your product. So if you want home-based ideas with low startup costs, I mean, this is like a perfect one, right? I think so. Yes. Now, how to make $2,500 in 5 days, not 7, not a month, $2,500. Now, you may make more, you may make less. I can't guarantee it, but I could say what I made, and I'm still making more. Just made $100 on some stanchions today, okay? So, yes. Leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this. What are some items that you have to sell? Maybe you sell something on the comments below and somebody else watching this wants to buy it. You never know. Make sure you do that there. So how to make money during a quarantine fast, I just explained that. And of course, any passive income, work from home jobs, and how to make money online fast. That's exactly what I just talked about. I'm Kris. Until next time, I'm out.